Okay, so we're at Coloane, and we're going to be heading over to that little temple right there and check it all out. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, before we go down to the temple, check out all the birds right there. Swans, I think. And then that's the public bathroom right there, and then that's the view of Zhuhai, China. There's a lot of cranes up there because they're doing like theme park kind of stuff, and I think that's going to be a cable car up there. There's like some amusement park thing already through Chimling, and then that's all kind of part of Zhuhai right there, or Hengqin. Huh, there's McDonald's right there. There's a ferry. It's funny, there's ferries right there. That's interesting. I hadn't noticed those before. I don't know where they go because this part of Zhuhai doesn't appear to be ready yet, but that right there is all University of Macau, but that has a border around it. So if you can see that building right there, that's a security gate and nobody can get into that. It's surrounded by guards and a wall, and that has jurisdiction to this part of Macau. But all that around it, there's a wall, and that's part of China, so you need a China passport or China visa to get over there, but this is part of Macau right there, and this is all definitely part of Macau. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to, I think we're going to show you that temple. I could go down this way as well, it'd be just as interesting. But this temple is kind of ideal for exploration right now because I'm right next to it. And we'll see, we might actually combine this with the street. Actually, it's pretty warm here. There's some other incense sticks like that. It feels like a Sunday. Beautiful. Yeah, actually a lot of times when I've been in here there's been a lot of mosquitoes, but I don't really feel that mosquito feel right now. This is all just, this isn't, yeah, it is the, here we go. And then the ashes just go down, so that's just filled with ashes right there. Okay, let's go up. And we'll just follow this all the way over here. Yeah. And we can look down at everything. So that's a little walk right there. This is called like Coloane Village. Huh. Now we're kind of up on the detail area so we can see. Beautiful. It's funny the feelings you can get when you're at a Buddhist temple. I was concerned about maybe showing that I might be showing disrespect to the camera, but then I just got an image that you know, spirituality is a positive. It's not a vengeful or angry energy. It's a positive energy that's giving you positive affirmation and feeling. Hello. Okay. I think the temple itself is closed, but the activity is quite active. So I think what we're going to do next is kind of explore our kind of beautiful stuff around here. Wish I knew more about them. I think that's I've read about that particular one right there. I'm not sure the name of that one, but I can't recall the information to be accurate that I would like to share. Anyways, this is a little temple on Coloane, and I was debating if I want to tie it into the river. I think I'll just keep this as standalone because the temple is quite beautiful in its own little way, right? So let's just kind of fade out a little bit, go towards the river. Then we'll come back and we'll film this from that perspective. This is interesting. Here's a dumpster. It's just pretty much filled with flowers. Okay, that's beautiful. Let's just kind of go over this way. Then we're going to capture the water. There we go. So yeah, this is a little waterfront that goes all the way down that way, and then there's of course more things over that way. And then we're overlooking China, or Hengqin Island of Zhuhai. And then this is called Coloane, which is part of Macau. Okay. Let's end it right back where we started, which was this view right here.
Toma cuidado la